8 Tips to Get More Real Instagram Followers in 2021. With over 1 billion monthly users, Instagram is one of the most popular social media networks today. Marketers and companies, of course, see this as a huge opportunity to tap into this user base. However, establishing an Instagram presence and gaining followers overnight is not easy. It's a lengthy process, but with a little assistance, you can see the benefits sooner. Here are 8 suggestions for gaining authentic and relevant Instagram followers for your business. 1. Compose an enticing bio. Your bio is the first thing people see when they visit your profile, therefore it plays an important role in generating a good first impression. To get people to follow you on Instagram, you need to develop an interesting bio. 2. Create and maintain an Instagram brand personality that is unique to you. After your bio, your Instagram feed is the next thing a visitor to your profile will see. And the first impression a user gets from your feed is crucial in determining whether or not they like your brand. 3. Use hashtags that are relevant. Using hashtags to reach more people and earn more Instagram followers is a tried and true method. You should look into which hashtags are now trending in your industry and which are related to your brand and content. Then, for all of your Instagram content, utilize a mix of these hashtags to target individuals who follow those hashtags. 4. Make your own branded hashtag and promote it. You can design and advertise your own hashtag in addition to using famous hashtags. This could be unique to your company or even a certain campaign. Brand-specific hashtags might help you grow your Instagram following and promote your campaigns. 5. Make your captions better. Your Instagram captions give you the opportunity to communicate with your present audience and perhaps inspire them to recommend you to their friends. So, why not take advantage of the situation? You may do a lot with your Instagram captions, such as tag people, ask questions, create conversations, and so forth. The more you encourage your audience to remark, the more likely they are to urge their friends to participate in the conversation. 6. Take part in popular discussions. This is the opposite side of the story to what we discussed previously. You should not only initiate but also participate in talks. 7. Keep an eye on your tagged photos. If you want to earn and keep more followers, you must maintain a positive reputation. One approach to do this is to keep track of the types of postings in which your brand is mentioned. From your Instagram profile, anyone can view all of the posts in which you've been tagged. As a result, it's critical to keep track of who's tagging you and in what kinds of posts. 8. Get local. Local hashtags and geotagging for Instagram operate similarly to local SEO for websites. The importance of focusing your business on a local audience cannot be overstated. Geotag your posts. You may attract local Instagram users by including geotags in your content. Use local hashtags. Local hashtags serve a similar purpose in that they allow you to connect with others in your area who are interested in a specific topic.